Today I am reviewing the Dell Tower Plus Desktop EBT2250. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell Tower Plus Desktop EBT2250 is built for users who want top-tier performance today and long-term reliability tomorrow. Positioned above standard consumer desktops, this system blends cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful thermal design, AI acceleration, and professional on-site support. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user looking for a future-proof machine, this desktop clearly aims to deliver on all fronts. At the heart of the system is the Intel Core Ultra 9 to 285 processor, part of Intel's latest Core Ultra Series 2 lineup. This chip isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligent performance. Designed with AI-enhanced workloads in mind, it combines strong single-core responsiveness with powerful multi-core efficiency, making it ideal for demanding creative software, multitasking, and next-generation applications that leverage AI acceleration. For everyday use, everything feels instant. For heavier tasks like video editing, 3D work, or large data workflows, the processor maintains smooth, consistent performance without hesitation. One of the standout features of this desktop is its three dedicated AI engines working together: the CPU, GPU, and NPU. This means AI tasks such as background noise removal, image upscaling, real-time effects, and AI-assisted creation can be handled more efficiently without overloading a single component. As more software begins to rely on AI features, this design gives the Dell Tower Plus a major advantage in longevity and responsiveness. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR5 memory, and this is where the system truly shines for gamers and creators alike. This GPU delivers excellent performance for modern games at high settings, smooth ray tracing, and strong support for AI-driven features like DLSS. For creative professionals, the RTX 5070 accelerates rendering, video exports, and 3D workloads, significantly reducing wait times and improving workflow efficiency. Memory and storage are equally impressive. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, the system is more than capable of handling heavy multitasking, large creative projects, and professional software without slowdown. This is the kind of memory capacity that lets you run multiple demanding applications at once while maintaining smooth performance. Storage comes in the form of a fast 2 TB SSD, providing ample space for games, media libraries, project files, and applications, while ensuring lightning-fast boot times and quick file access. Thermal design is another area where the Dell Tower Plus stands out. Dell has purposefully engineered the chassis to improve airflow and reduce noise, using efficient CPU air cooling optimized for 65-watt processors. In real-world use, this means the system stays cool and quiet even under sustained workloads. For users who value a clean, distraction-free workspace, the balanced acoustics make a noticeable difference during long gaming or work sessions. Connectivity is thoroughly modern and future-ready. With Intel Wi-Fi 7, you get faster speeds, lower latency, and improved stability on compatible networks, which is especially valuable for online gaming, cloud workflows, and large downloads. The system also offers plenty of room for internal upgrades, with accessible expansion slots and storage options that make it easy to adapt the PC to your needs over time. Out of the box, the Dell Tower Plus comes with Windows 11 Home, offering a clean, optimized experience with built-in support for modern hardware and AI-assisted features. Everything feels cohesive, polished, and ready to use without unnecessary setup or configuration. A major advantage of choosing this desktop is Dell's 1-year on-site service. Instead of shipping your system away for repairs, Dell sends a technician directly to your home or office if an issue can't be resolved remotely. For professionals, creators, or anyone who relies on their PC daily, this level of support adds real peace of mind and reinforces the premium nature of the product. In conclusion, the Dell Tower Plus Desktop EBT2250 is a powerful, well-balanced system designed for users who want high-end performance, AI readiness, quiet operation, and dependable support. It's not just a gaming PC or a work machine. It's a long-term investment built to handle the next wave of software, creativity, and performance demands. If you're looking for a desktop that combines modern technology with trusted reliability, this system is an excellent choice.